Yeshayahu chapter 43. But now, thus said Yahuwah, your creator, O Yaqub, and he who formed you, O Yasharal. Do not fear, for I have redeemed you, I have called you by your name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I am with you, and through rivers, they do not overflow you. When you walk through fire, you are not scorched, and a flame does not burn you. For I am Yahuwah your Elohim, the set-apart one of Yasharal, your Savior. I gave Matsrim for your ransom, Cush and Saba in your place. Since you were precious in my eyes, you have been esteemed, and I have loved you, and I give men in your place, and peoples for your life. Do not fear, for I am with you. I shall bring your seed from the east, and gather you from the west. I shall say to the north, give them up! And to the south, do not keep them back! Bring my sons from afar and my daughters from the ends of the earth. All those who are called by my name, whom I have created, formed, even made for my esteem. He shall bring out a blind people who have eyes, and deaf ones who have ears. All the nations shall be assembled, and the peoples be gathered, who among them declares this, and show us former events. Let them give their witnesses to be declared right, or let them hear and say, it is truth. You are my witnesses, declares Yahuwah, and my servant whom I have chosen, so that you know and believe me, and understand that I am He. Before me there was no outformed, nor after me there is none. I am Yahuwah, and besides me there is no Savior. I have declared and saved and made known, and there was no foreign mighty one among you. And you are my witnesses, declares Yahuwah, that I am all. Even from the day I am He, and no one delivers out of my hand I work, and who turns it back. Thus said Yahuwah, your Redeemer, the set-apart one of Yasharal. For your sake I shall send to Babala, and bring them all down as fugitives, even the Kashdim, who rejoice in their ships. I am Yahuwah, your set-apart one, creator of Yasharal, your sovereign. Thus said Yahuwah, who makes a way in the sea and a path through the mighty waters, who brings forth the chariot and horse, the army and the power. They lie down together. They do not rise. They have been extinguished. They have been quenched like a wick. Do not remember the former events, nor consider the events of old. See, I am doing what is new. Let it now spring forth. Do you not know it? I am even making a way in the wilderness.